I'm LashGo. Hello there. Lots of love. Today we're going to do some Hot Wheels, and I like fantasy ones. So today I'm going to show you some fantasy ones. So let's get stuck into it. I'm excited. Yeah. Alright guys, now let me show you some fantasy ones that the first one is a Chrysler 300C. Pretty cool looking car. The next one is another Chrysler 300C, the black version. Got a little emblem on the back. So I've got the green and the black or grey version. And then I've also got the red version. The carbon fibre roof on it. So if there's any more versions, please let me know and send them to me, and I'll send you something back. But they're them. And I've also got the gold one. So if there's any more, please let me know. Comment down below. Next I have got the rocket box. It's a cool little car, this one. Bubble-matic. Obviously it makes bubbles. The pink thing comes up and blows out bubbles. Pretty crazy looking car. Rising heat. And the front lip is adjustable, as you can see. It's the rising heat. TV series Batman. Big Storm, and it's in X-Ray series. And then I've been chasing for so long. It's not a Hot Wheels, it's a Matchbox. Heavy Railer. It's a train. Believe me, these are hard to get, the trains. Let alone the characters. Send me a train if you got one. They're awesome. Alright guys, I'll show you quickly the cars that I just showed you. Comment down below and tell me what one's your favourite. And if you like fantasy cars or not. Because I do, not many people do. Alright guys, I'll show you now. Alright guys, so please subscribe, bell button, like, comment, and help me get to 300 or 1k. Please. I'm always chasing new subscribers. And I'll be trying to fly my drone very soon. I've been sick lately. Sick with stress. With one person. So, well, anyway guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my quick sharing of my Hot Wheels. Alright guys, remember, stay awesome, stay cool, stay super cool mate. I'm LashGo. Thanks for watching. Love yous angels. I'm out. Bye.